Mom, me and Grinder want to tell you something. Tell me, you two. What is it? Bingo, we just want to tell you that me and Catnip are really sorry for all the bad things we have done in the past. This means we're not going to be troublemakers anymore. Instead, we'll be good people and help others. Yeah, I agree with Catnip. Wow, good job, Catnip Grinder. Kids, come. I'm here. Catnip Grinder wants to tell you something. What is it, Aunt Bangora? Well, you see. Hey, Hello Kitty, Mimi, Sam, Chip and My Melody, Catnip and Grinder have improved their behaviors, and they're going to be good people. Wow, amazing. As for you, Catnip and Grinder, you two are ungrounded forever. You can do whatever you want. Thanks, Mom. You're the best. I agree with Catnip. You're the best. Thanks, Bingora. You're welcome.